Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 27 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, hawkish. So the meaning of hawkish is militant, warlike, and its meaning in Urdu is jangju, fighting. Next one, nuclear bluff. So the meaning of nuclear bluff is nuclear threat. So the President Vladimir Putin used the term nuclear bluff against Ukraine. Next one, vitiated. So the meaning of vitiated is to listen something, to demoralize something, to deteriorate something. Next one, torpedoing, so to destroy or nullify altogether, just like the military of Israel nullified the Gaza. Next one, denial. The meaning of denial is disaffirmation, abnegation, renunciation, and the last meaning is disaffirmation. So denial is to obstruct someone, to object someone, and to deny someone. Next one, bonhomie. So the meaning is good natured. Next one, dissuading. So its meaning is to inhibit someone, to discourage, demoralize someone, to deter someone. Next one, rhetoric. So high flown style, grandiloquence, empty talk, boastering. Next one, euphemism. So the meaning of euphemism is grandiloquence. Next one, wrenchingly. So its meaning is something which causing great physical or mental suffering. Next one, grotesque. So the meaning of grotesque is monstrous, ugly, unbeautiful, unusual. Next one, condone. So the meaning of condone is to regard or treat as acceptable, forgivable, or harmless. Something which is adjustable, accommodative. Next one, antediluvian. So the meaning of antediluvian is antiquated, outdated, archaic, very old. Next one, reckoning. So its meaning is calculation, a summing up, crunching, arithmetic. Next one, scrutiny. So the meaning of scrutiny is inspection, checkup, scan, review, to analyze something, to observe something. Next one, defiant. So defiant is disobedient, resistant, unwilling. Next one, dacoits. So dacoits, which is now the order in Pakistan, and the number of dacoits is increasing in Pakistan due to multifaceted factor, and one of them is unemployment. So its meaning is a member of an armed gang, robbers, and the number of dacoits are much higher in Karachi, which is one of the metropolitan city of Pakistan. Next one, anecdotal. So the meaning of anecdotal is informal, unreliable. Next one, imbeciles. So the meaning of imbeciles is stupid. Next one, segregation. So the meaning of segregation is separation, sequestration, isolation, division. Next one, replete. So the meaning of replete is abundance, full, imbued, fill up to the level of satisfaction. Next one, endeavors. So the meaning of endeavor is attempt, effort, try, struggle. Next one, meft. So the meaning of meft is annoy, vex. Next one, so the rest of the data and vocabulary I have collected from Resilient Cities, which was written by Ramiz Ali Sial. So the flash flood of 2010 in Pakistan, which caused much havoc across the country, and up to 2,000 people became dead and 20 million internally displaced, and up to 5 million acres of standing crop were damaged. According to Asian Development Bank and World Bank estimated $9.7 billion damage to infrastructures, including homes and crops. Next one, marred. So its meaning is spoiled, ruined. Next one, calamities. So the meaning of calamities, an event that cause great harm or suffering. And the last thing is havoc. So chaos, disorder, jumble. So, and the Special Olympic in Pakistan, which was held in 1989. So it's all for today, and thanks for watching Dawn Times. Stick with Dawn Times for more videos and updates. May the God watch over you. Good luck.